With wrong sides together, center the top edge of your zipper along the top edge of one of your mesh pieces that will be for the top of your pocket. If you're right-handed, the zipper should open towards the right, and if you're left-handed, the zipper should open towards the left. So position your zipper accordingly, then use sewing clips to hold in place. Whenever I sew through mesh, I like to set my machine to a 2mm stitch length for any piecing or top stitching of the mesh. Attach a zipper foot or narrow foot to your machine. Sew together along the top with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. The shorter stitch length will help ensure that the mesh is caught in the seam. Also, you can choose a thread color to match your zipper if you don't want the stitching to stand out. Press the mesh away from your zipper. Top stitch an 1/8 inch from the long edge of your zipper. This will encase the raw edge of your mesh and have a professional look for your zipper attached. With wrong sides together, center the bottom edge of the zipper along the top long edge of your zipper pocket bottom. Sew together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the zipper pocket bottom away from the zipper and top stitch an 1/8 inch from the long edge of the zipper. As you can see, it's very simple to attach a zipper to mesh, just a few easy steps, and you have a professional looking pocket. You can continue to add your mesh pocket to your bag as your pattern explains, or just make sure that it's caught in all edges of the seam. Thanks for watching!